Hey, it's Dusty over here at German Auto. Just want to go over a quick one. I've been seeing this actually all too often on these motors. What people have been doing is they've done pulling the air cleaner off and either swapping the air filters out or putting K&Ns in there, whatever may be the case. And they're not installing them properly back onto the car, and it's causing a rough idle, a check engine light, all sorts of weird problems, especially cold starts. It adds, to like a bucking, dying issue. So really need to do and keep an eye on when you're putting these back together is we lube up all the mounts. So you can see it right there. I put a little silicone spray on them. Lube up the mounts. So that's where the air cleaner, this is the bottom side of it, it grips to. You can see that metal eye right there. There's 4 points at which the main air cleaner attaches to. This right here is where it goes over the airflow sensor. We put Vaseline around there so it adds for like a nice even fit. What happens is guys will put them on and it'll actually sit on the top. It'll look like it's on. It'll contact these 4 areas, but because this part is not over the airflow sensor, it's actually blocking portion of it, it causes a disruption in the airflow, causes check engine light, causes misfire codes, link codes, all sorts of stuff. So the procedure is always to install this thing at an angle. So basically you're going to put the air cleaner in this direction, and with your hand you're going to guide it over the airflow sensor to make sure it fits down on this first. And then you have a nice even application on the top, and it'll sit down perfectly flat. You shouldn't feel any gap from right here at all. Just that bottom lip and the air cleaner seal should be closely buttered up together. So check that first. It's happened so many times. It's called transmission issues, all sorts of crazy stuff. So hopefully this helps alleviate a lot of problems. But let me know. Thanks, guys.